Right. So now today I will introduce the group project that I have been doing since the last 2 weeks. And this project is about how we use the TI-Nspire series of calculators in the method calculator PC. And as you can see, we have 3 members of our group, George, Sky, and Cici. And this presentation will be an in-depth look at the creation and execution of our educational video series. Okay. First, we'll introduce our projects. It's about a group collaboration project about comprehensive calculator tutorials and helping students master the essential concept of the calculator and also the calculus PC test. It is a step-by-step video tutorial from various topics, from basic operations to complex problems. And our goals are educational support, concept mastery, and resource accessibility. What is the importance of calculus PC tests for AP exams? They can cover a range of topics, and they're widely used in a lot of AP questions. And understanding and applying these concepts are crucial for further studies in university.
Yeah.
This is the results that we have had so far, and this is a YouTube video playlist. As you can see, it's already published, and we have so far made 5 videos for me actually, and the rest of the group members have also been making videos, and I edited them and published them on YouTube. This is the video playlist from Bilibili. As you can see, we've done the translation of the video description and title to Chinese, and we've also republished all our videos. We'll look at the major 2 platforms that we're mainly focusing on when publishing our videos. And here, we can welcome Sky to introduce the tools and softwares we use.
Yeah, here's a tool and softwares. So that for this software, maybe we can use for TI-Nspire, TM, CXDS. This will use a variety of functions like solving some kind of calculus problems, coming up with equations, and so on, such like derivatives of integrations. And also the CapCut. This will be used for editing videos. We can cut some bits of video that we do things wrong, and maybe we can, by using the CapCut, we can play some with some music and selecting with music, and then we have the function to do with the volumes. And then there's a kind of software called screen recording software. This could be used for capturing calculator operations. And finally, is a presentation tool, which is kind of PPT slides, which will be the organization of project content. By doing this kind of projects, we can apply on PPT to show the process of what we do in the videos.
Yeah, so now we'll introduce the script writing process. Let's welcome Cici board.
Okay, so this part is about script writing process. And the first one is research and gathering information. So the second one is writing detailed scripts for each video, and the third one is determining and writing correctly about content.
Yeah. And then we'll introduce this.
So this one is how we record it in news. The first step is to setting up the recording information, and then we using screen recording software to capture text file operations, and finally we recording video orders and explanations.
Yeah. Next one.
Alright, so this is the video edited and CapCut. The first one, it is very important to record footage and so editing for the characters and we need to edit choose captions that are interesting.
Okay, I just want to add a little on this. So during this process, we use CapCut to edit our videos. We also add certain other features that help the audience better understand our content. Like here, you can see these two highlights are actually the captions that will help people without good hearing to better understanding our content, and also foreign audiences within another language. And this we have decorations, maybe some stickers, and we also make sure that our content is fitted within the given area without any distractions. That is very important. Okay, next I'll introduce what is exactly in the process of our uploading of the videos. And this you can see is a dialogue on YouTube that we finalize of uploading our videos. And we will also put it in a playlist on YouTube to make it better organized for people to see it. And we also write this very detailed description, and it's optimized for searching as well. What about the challenge and solutions we had in this project? There certainly has been many technical difficulties in that we have to learn how to master these tools and skills. And we also have to consider time management and coordination among the members. As you can see here, we're all working together on the script ideas and the coding ideas. And these challenges have been overcome by our remote dedication. Well, how about the outcomes of this project? As you can see here, we have had a lot of, we've got 173 views in the last, during our the period that we do this project. And here is a playing screen of our project on YouTube. And this is the channel performance that is in recent. We have created, like I said, around 10 videos in total. And each of them is about 2 minutes long, except for one of mine, which is 15 minutes. And we have received a fairly amount of viewer engagement and feedback, including the ones many people have left their likes on our videos, so that will be good. And the impact that we've made. So far, we have not observed a large amount of that, but I'm sure they will be in the future. Yeah, these are our outcomes. And you can see there's a bigger view of the analytics, and we have had views on our videos since this day, because I haven't been posting any videos for that. Yeah, so it's done a lot of videos. And here we come to the conclusions. The summary of what we have achieved is that we have published a series of comprehensive videos, and we have covered the central topics for our graphing calculator, and we provided clear step-to-step instructions on how to operate these. And we have also received positive feedbacks. Future topics, maybe we'll do some advanced, by me mostly, I will maybe do some advanced calculus topics on the calculator, and also not on the calculator, about calculus and how to solve this problem. Like problem-solving method is a good place to start. We'll also do some application-based tutorials, which is the tutorials that are based in an application that we can utilize in order to best demonstrate the content of our demonstration. Interactive quizzes and challenges is something we'll interact with the audience in the way of making it, and making it more engaging. And also use exam preparation tips, which because I have been through MBA exams, and I will probably focus on that. And we have many open floor for questions and feedback. We value all of our audience's feedbacks, and these are certain of the problems that we have questions we have received during the time of publication, and we would very much like to answer it later. And these are the places where you can find us, and thank you. Firstly, do you think this is a good way for you to better understand the concepts of calculus after doing this project together? Yeah, definitely. I find myself to be having more in-depth understanding of the calculator's operations, and also of the calculus basic knowledge after I've been doing this project. Perfect. Then what suggestion do you have for students who are going to study calculus next semester? Oh, definitely utilize your calculator well because this is a very important piece of tool that you'll be using in exam, so in your daily practice. And also just stay very diligent and curious about the topics, contents, and the knowledge about BC.